What up, what up, what up? Welcome to another video. And here we have Alex. He brought his Civic through. Needs some paint, but we're actually gonna go drop it off right now to the body shop to get painted. It runs really good. Really clean, straight body. Body work is done, literally just needs to paint. And oh, look at that. Hybrid racing shifter. That's top of the line stuff for the Civics. What do we have here? K20?
K24.
K24. So this is off the TSX. Pretty clean though. This is what my Civic needs. A little hatch.
K-swap.
Yep. Eventually I think we're gonna go K-swap. Motor mounts, everything. I like the front end. The front end is pretty much done.
Which is where the front end you're putting on yours?
Yeah. It's clean. It's pretty nice. Mild tuck. I like it. I do like it. How's it run? Pretty good?
Fucking badass. LSD trans. Should have gone with the 6-speed, but it's a 5-speed.
5-speed.
Yeah,
oh
okay.
Shit. Look at that. It's cool. This is not a SI, is it?
EK Coupe.
It has a SI cluster.
2000 Civic EX with GSR seats.
Yeah, the SI cluster looks way better. Oh yeah, and 2000 because the climate control is different. I noticed on mine is different. But let's go ahead and drop it off. Well, we're gonna continue doing stuff on the Civic after this. After we drop this bad boy, let's get going. Got something else in the mail. Let's go ahead and open it real quick. I think this is a grill. Oh, yep. Type R grill. Can't wait till it all comes together. It's gonna look good. What up, what up? It's been a few days. What we gotta do today is go to Harbor Freight. I gotta get like a little Dremel or grinder because I gotta trim part of the bumper off to make it fit, and I might have to trim the rear bumper. I'm not sure on the rear bumper, but I do want to trim part of it so you can see the lower control arms and the exhaust, sway bar that's gonna go in there. So I'm iffy on that, but let's see what we buy at Harbor Freight. I know for sure I need a Dremel or a grinder, but we'll see. Made it to Mr. Box's favorite place in the world.
Hell yeah.
Woo. All the tools are great right here. So I'm gonna try and move this headlight and radiator and fan wiring out. So it'll be the easiest thing to do. It'll be the easiest way to do it right now that it has no fender. So we'll just run that wiring out through the outside. There's a hole in here, run it out through here, and it'll look a little cleaner, like a little, I don't want to say wire tuck because it's not that, but I think it'll clear this up, and then it'll clear this wiring up. We'll just run it through the outside. Let's take it apart. First thing we gotta do is move the battery, the fuse box, and then the hole will be in there, and then we'll run everything this way. Looking for the tools. Got the fuse box out the way. You see that little hole? That's where we're gonna jam all the plugs and stuff, but we're gonna have to cut it and then either de-pin it or cut it and then wire it up. Okay, and it's a little time consuming, but I think it's worth it at the end so we don't see any of this. Mr. Box is starting on this side. That alarm, aftermarket alarm horn, we don't need it. We don't need the water reservoir. So we got this one. These clips are being super difficult to unclip. Boombox is having trouble over there unclipping them. But my side is done. Oh, not done, but almost. It's getting there, So I ran it through here. It's ready to run. Now comes the fun part of you gotta depin it, or cut them and then match up the wires. That's the fun part right here. Boombox got his done too. Ready to run to the side. So I cut the little wire loom. Now we're gonna have to cut, splice, and then rewire it just to get it to fit through here. So this does not fit through there, and then obviously this pigtail does not fit through there. So you gotta do that. Let's go ahead and do it. So that's done. Now we pass this harness. Now we gotta pass it through here, out this side, and yep. We removed the battery tray, splicing these things. We got way more now. I'm gonna probably clean all that up. I might as well put the fuse box inside the car. Fuck. Almost done with this. Just gotta plug this, run it. Very, very time consuming. This one, so we have a bunch of, we got this side done, we just passed it through the door. So this is gonna be all tucked, no wires. My side is pretty much done too. This is out of here, now I just gotta plug it in, zip tie up the thing, and yeah, it should be good. This side is done. This one's turn. Headlight. We're almost done on this side. Got the fuse box back in. Got the battery tray back in.
You guys want to put me on a quick sprint?
We pretty much got it done. It's all done. Everything's plugged up. This I'm just gonna tuck it in here. Everything's back, so you can see it looks way cleaner.
Now all we could do is hope it starts.
Hope it starts because Peter did the wiring. Way cleaner. Right there. Just mock up the headlights real quick. Mocked up the headlights. What do you think? Successful day?
Coming along,
What do you think, Mr. Box?
looking like a Type R. Yeah, hang on, let me just get this for you.
Here we are, guys. First startup.
First and last. That's clutch sound right there.
Woo!
AC's already blowing.
Turn on the AC for no reason. I call that a win today.
Pretty cool.
Not bad.
How are you feeling, Mr. Box?
Pretty good.
Start it up.
Yeah, no issues. Oh shit, it's smoking. Align this, or put the front end. 99 Civic front end to the 96 Civic. It's a little different.
You said it backwards, bro.
We're gonna have to notch right here, slice it a bit. Right here too. But I think we can make it work. We should be able to make it work. Think we'll make it work?
We have to.
Anything is possible.
To buy this at Harbor Freight,
Let's see.
Chicago Electric, it's about 20 bucks. Harbor Freight. You can put it to a test real quick.
Slicing and dicing right here. Let's see if it works.
It's not as effective, but it's a good way to spend 20 bucks, so you don't spend.
What are you
I didn't buy
bringing?
it.
What are
I
you?
didn't buy it.
I didn't even cut the zip tie.
It cuts it away, look at it.
Oh shit, it did it. Yeah, with the Dremel would be better way.
No, it's not. Pull this shit out. Wait.
Pull this shit out.
But you don't even know
Custom fab.
Not bad.
We're gonna have to plastic weld again, I think. I'll show you guys a finished product. I think we're gonna start with the fenders first.
How does it fit over by the door?
Pretty good gap.
Shit.
You tighten it pretty good.
Nah. It's still loose from the bottom just to get the
Half
gap.
of a Ugga Dugga.
I mean,
So
the
get the-
alignment's pretty good though.
Just to get the
The
gap
line.
stood right here.
Fitment.
Yeah, the fitment's pretty good. It's not bad. It's pretty good. It's
Yeah,
straight.
it's
Is it
just-
straight with the body line?
Yeah, it's actually matches here. It just has to go up a little bit.
Yeah, like that on the bottom.
Yeah. But you still need a bolt down there.
Yeah,
Push it up.
pretty easy. We got one of the fenders lined up pretty good. Straight lines. They look straight to you, Peter.
Mm-hmm.
Not bad. The headlight fitment's pretty good. There we go. There we go. Now we're gonna try and do the passenger side real quick.
You're gonna have to upgrade the brakes on this next. You don't want to fucking do a pull, not be able to stop.
We could put some Civic SI.
Stop tech. I have
Drums.
some stop techs right there off the S2000.
Bolted up pretty good. Body lines are pretty straight. Just gotta put the bottom one right here. But it's looking good. What do you think, Mr. Box?
Pretty badass, man.
EM1 front end.
It's looking more and more like a Type R.
More and more, huh? We just
Yeah.
need to do the center drive conversion, bro.
The valve cover, change it to the Type R one.
Wrinkle red. It's pretty much, it's mocked up. It's not fully bolted up, tightened up, but the fitment's okay. It's not gonna get better than this. Just gotta put the grill now. It's okay. We gotta trim down the mesh a bit. It gets stuck out there, so we gotta trim it so it could sit flush with it. Go ahead. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks in the outside or left.
Cam Z01 over there. First startup. What do you think?
Just ignore the hood. Little headlight wire tuck we did. With the wing, it makes it look pretty good. Next thing we need is suspension and then put the wheels on. But we haven't fully bolted this, but we need a little drill bit. It doesn't really line up right there, but that's not a big deal. We could do that another time. Let me know what you guys think. You like the front end better? Much better?
I like the rear end more, honestly.
Yeah, bro. I think the rear needs a Type R conversion in the.
Check it out. It's a remote. So, lift gate. It's pretty much from the whole system's from a 09 Escalade. You hit it, give it a couple seconds. Boombox
What's going on?
has
What's going on?
something wrong, yeah.
Oh, I gotta
I think
plug the
he,
battery.
yeah, it's the fuse. Check the fuses real quick. I mean, it should work now. Give it a couple seconds. Let me hit it. 1, 2. What do you guys think?
Oh, abracadabra.
And it can also close, but you gotta help it a little bit. And then you go halfway, it'll do the rest for you.
Oh, pretty high tech for being a 96.
9.99 now.
Oh, 90. Oh, yeah, 99
all
because of the
way
front end, yeah. Damn. It's looking good.
Remember, it's October. Halloween theme. Halloween theme. This is the electric lift gate in here.
Spooky headliner, bro.
Smoking with?
Is it?
Yeah, I think this ratchet just gave
Yeah, I think we're gonna just throw away the hood. It looks better without it.
Oh, look at the it's spark.
Is
Check
it?
it out, check it out. I threw a spark away, I swear.
Oh fuck! Why doesn't this go up there? Oh, there we go. It's coming together. It's coming together. I really like it. I mean, it still looks junky, but I think once we lower it and put the wheels on it, I think it's gonna be a big difference. You want to buy one now, Peter?
Well, I'm actually in the market for one right now. I just can't seem to find one. They're not as easy to find.
Yeah, the hatches are they're hot cars right now, man. Especially with working AC like this one.
It's pretty tough, honestly. I've been searching for about 2 minutes and haven't really found anything good.
But that's why I'm gonna wrap it up. Go ahead and comment, like, subscribe.
Oh, you're gonna wrap it? You're not gonna paint it?
Yeah, I'm gonna wrap it up.
All right.